Oh, I don't know how much time the batteries have. Oh. So, the Hoopie nominations went up last night. If you aren't a Hooper, the Hoopers are like the Grammys or Oscars of hooping. I feel very weird making this video. I was nominated for 2 of them. I was nominated for Tutorial of the Year for my waist control tutorial, and I was also nominated for Instructor of the Year. Being nominated for Instructor of the Year is a really big deal to me. My very first hoop teacher, and as much as you can learn from hoop tutorials online, Sapphire, she won Instructor of the Year in, I want to say 2008 or 9. Baxter, who is my very favorite hoop teacher ever, and I owe him like everything I know about hooping almost. He was, I think he was the first teacher to ever win that award. And the people that were nominated in the category with me this year are so super amazing. They're all just incredible hoopers and incredible teachers, and I'm really honored to be among them. So I found out last night, and I had a really hard time sleeping because I've been going through all of these emotions. I remember when I first started hooping and I found out about the Hoopies, I worked really hard to become a really good hooper so I could maybe stand a chance at getting like Newbie of the Year. And then I made a few videos a couple of years ago that I kind of hoped would get nominated for Video of the Year, but apparently a bunch of people acting stupid at a Pizza Hut and Taco Bell isn't Hoopie worthy. Whatever! I'd kind of given up on Hoopie nominations. This is a big deal. I wish I didn't care so much about the Hoopies, but it's an honor, especially because I didn't get to participate in the nomination process. I totally missed it, and I was even paying attention. I was like, I should nominate myself for Hoopies this year. And I missed it, and I was like, well, okay, it's whatever. And then, oh my god, my battery is going out. I'm gonna put the link in the description for where you can vote if you want to vote. I highly encourage you, if you're going to vote, to like check out all the other people in the category with me. I know that's a lot to ask, it's a lot of research, but they're all freaking amazing, and I'm just really overwhelmed and honored to be in the same category as like Beth Lavender and Brecken and Carolina and all these people who my hooping grew up with these people, and yeah, so thank you anyone that nominated me and anyone that's voted for me so far. It really means too much to me. I'm really grateful. I'm really excited. I clearly have no words. I don't know what to say. Thank you. Okay. Yes. That's all. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.